Yabo mina mangithatha i-decision empilweni, a-major decision, angiqageli, ngiyalalela. Mana-ke, do you know ukuthi la ukhona esigabeni sempilo yakho njengamanje, nala ukhona njengamanje njengoba ubuka le video, it is a series of decisions that you've taken. Khumbula ukuthi kunama decisions ongawathathanga that would have led you to a different destiny. Angithi umbuzo ke uthi, how did you know ukuthi this is the correct decision for you? That is the question. Going forward, uzokwazi kanjani futhi ukuthi le decision oyithathayo is still a correct decision for you that's supposed to lead you to a correct destiny for you in this life. That is why ke ngizokucela ukuthi ukuze ungayigesi impilo ukuthi ubani udalwe kanjani, kumele uyithathe kanjani inqumo, kumele ubukeni ulalelini. Hamba uyosearch lapha ku Google. Usearche uakashianmedia.co.za. Yes. Bese uyangena lapho kulo website. Uzokwenzani ke? Uzosayina in, bale nje igama lakho, isibongo, email address, create password, uzobe sewu-in. Bese ugenerate i-chart lakho. Uzifundele wena ukuthi kumele uphile kanjani impilo yakho. Hayi lento yokugesa impilo la. Thola ukuthi usu-overstayile endaweni ebekumele ngabe usuhambile kuyona, noma usuhamba endaweni ebekumele ngabe usahlala kuyona ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo asiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ya njengoba ke kule video nje ngane yawethu ngiyabonga la i-comment yakho. Kule video ke ucomment ekuyona ngikhuluma ngokulalela lapho, yabo ukuthi we only need to listen. Ake ngikhulume nje isibonelo, ngoba la emhlabeni 70% wabantu bangama generators, okukuthi banalento ekuthiwa i-sacral authority. I-sacral authority i-gut feeling yakho. U-80% u-70% wabantu utshelwa ileyo guts ukuthi what is correct for them. But what do they do bona? They listen to their mind because bacheme nalento abayifunayo. Yabo, even though eza ukuthi thini authority yakhe. I-authority yakho mfethu akusiyena umngani wakho, akusiyena umzali wakho, akusiyona i-colleague yakho, akusiyena umphathi wakho, akusiyena anyone, ingaphakathi. Njengamanje umhlaba uyashifta from the external authorities, government, traditional leaders, pastors. Move umhlaba lapho. 2027 going forward nje umhlaba will be a different thing, will be something else. But yonke lonto yenzeka nje gradually. It won't be something like that happened instantaneously. So i-authority yakho ke mfethu ilento engikhuluma ngayo ekuwena ngaphakathi. Hamba uyokwenza le reading le. Uzenzele wena. Laphana kunama video. Uma ukuthi umuntu othanda visual learner, yabo, nothanda ukulalela, uzolalela ama video akuchazelayo uma ukuthi uyanqena ukufunda, yabo. Uma ukuthi futhi uyakuthanda ukufunda, uzosifundela nje. Into emnandi ukuthi i-chat lakho liyohlezi lilapha. Uzosifundela, uzibone ukuthi uyinhloboni kapende, yabo. So isikhathi ke ozalwe ngaso, ngeke ngichaza nje lento, isikhathi ozalwe ngaso ungafaka estimation yesikhathi ozalwe ngaso, estimation ukuthi cishe ngazalwa ngalesi sikhathi, yabo, ngoba ngiyazi mhlawumbe ngeke ube nawo exact time. Okunye futhi ilokho ukuthi indawo, makufuna indawo, place of birth, ungafaka a nearby place, just a nearby place, mhlawumbe ngakini, yabo. Mhlawumbe nje wazalelwa phi, ngeke ngithi njengase Kranscope, sethi Kranscope ayiveli, ungayifaka eGreytown, yabo. Mhlawumbe wazalelwa Catholic ayiveli, ungafaka Pietermaritzburg, into njalo, yabo. Mhlawumbe wazalelwa kaDolwane, Ntonjambili, mhlawumbe ayiveli, ungafaka iNkandla, into njalo nje. Nearby city, angazi bathi bayibiza ngani le nto leya, i-city, whatever, but find out close to, yabo. Right, ufake nesikhathi ke cishe wazalwa ngaso approximately. Khona uzobona, uyabona lapha yama ufika. La ekubhalwe ukuthi ngiqanga ufundisa ngalento, khona uzoyi-understand. La ekuthiwa khona type, inhlobo ye-energy oyiyona wena. Ehambisana nani nelokhu njani ne-strategy ukuthi kumele u-engage kanjani nempilo. Awuvela ulala uvuke wenza izinto nje. awuvela usuku wenza izinto nje ngoba nakho uzwa abanye bethi bazenza, ubonye abanye ba-applyela ama-promotional post, nawe usuyawa-applyela. Yini ekutshelile? Do you know ukuthi le decision oyithathayo where it can lead you to? Is it the correct destiny leyo ezokulidela kuyona? Yabo, imibuzo leyo ukuthi you don't need to second guess life because you are constantly guided. Yabo, so i-strategy leso, how do you move? And then authority, how do you take decision? Do you listen to your friends? Do you listen to your pastor? Do you listen to your colleague? Do you listen to your parents? That is the authority. Where ulalela kuphi ukuthi yes, this is the correct thing for me? Yabo, izobhala ke lapho ukuthi yipi authority yakho wena. Yabo, bese kuba yini? Yeah, that is the important thing. Konke okunye kuyibonus ke. Nama defined centers. Mawukuthiwa defined centers. Defined centers, center lawo that are consistent with you. Yes, those are centers that are consistent. That is the consistent energy with you that you were born with. Mangikhuluma ngama-defined centers. But undefined one, that energy is not consistent. Yabo, it is malleable. It changes. Depend ukuthi ukuphi unobani. Ayikho consistent. Awunayo. Uyithatha ngaphandle. Yabo, kodwa lecture defined unjalo. Defined head, defined ashna. You are a thinker. You are constantly thinking and inspirational. You are asking questions constantly. You are having a need to know, need for certainty. Yabo, indlela oyiyona leyo. So uhamba kuye lapha ya. Mina ngoba ngikutshela ukuthi I don't second guess ama major decisions in life. I really don't second guess them. I don't. Why? Because ngathola human design, ngazi i-chart lami. And I know ukuthi no one can tell me ukuthi what to do. Because I know even something, I can do something and it doesn't seem like it's working in my favor right now. But I know that eventually it's gonna work in my favor because I listen to my authority, not people. Not people. So I will advise you to try it. Maybe someone ngamenzela chart reading didn't get it well, but I've tried my best this time ukuthi ngenze i-web app ezokwazi ukuchaza ngendlela azo understanda ngayo, yabo. Azo ngi-integrate i-technology esisebenza ngayo nje manje ukuthi akwazi ukucaciseleka short and sweet, yabo, angaze a-confuseke. Mhlawumbe ngayitry ke nayo, yabo, ngoba into ebaluleke kakhulu strategy, type, strategy and authority. That is very, very important. Those defined centers and undefined centers and channels, those are the energetic configurations ukuthi wena, like, really what kind of a person are you energetically speaking, yabo. Because khona umuntu onomqondo oshintsha akakwazi ukuhlala entweni eyodwa, like mezwa lo ekhuluma useyashintsha usehambisana naye, mezwa nalo uzwa ngathi right, so une open ashina kodwa yena aka-understand lokho, ufuna ukuba umuntu osethen njalo, kanti akadalelwanga ukuba sethen, udalela ukuthi a-challenge izinto. Umqondo wakhe awudalelwanga ukuthi ube nama-strong opinions, but umqondo wakho keeps on changing every time, yabo. So yeah, iyona ndlela engizama ngayo ke nami le ukuthi uphile kangconywana, ngoba good people lento yokucabanga ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba, lento yokucabanga isikhathi siyahamba, you jump in the wrong time. Face leyo nto leyo ngeke izikusize, ngeke izikusebenzele, yabo. You jumping in the wrong. Kahle impilo kangamelanga ukuthi ibe i-maths. That we need to figure out. Thina we are constantly guided. Yours is to listen. Le video ade ngibhalile, le video ade ngishuthile eqaleni ethi you need to listen. Really? Yabona lento ngikhuluma ngayo le authority. Iyona first thing that you need to listen. Le authority le ngikhuluma ngayo iyona into yokuqala edinga ukuthi uyilalele leyo. Yabo, futhi naleyo ukuthi i-strategy phela ukuthi umuva kanjani. Yini zonke usuke la uhleli khona uthi uyohlala kwenye indawo. How do you move? You just wake up and go? No. Mawukuthi ugenerate kuthiwa wait and respond, kusho ukuthi there is something that is going to happen first ngaphandle kuwena, and then when you respond to that, you don't just initiate, because you are not a what? You are not a manifest. You are not initiating. Love this. Know yourself. Know thyself.